All right, let's look at the practice exam 3, problem number 5. All right, so we are looking at the skateboard ramp. So I'm gonna just draw a picture. So you have a ramp which looks kind of like this. All right, and the height is 5 feet. So it's 5 feet there. So 5 feet. And it has an angle of 45 degrees. So the angle here is 45 degrees. Right? Then how long is the skateboard ramp? So let's say since it's a ramp, we should probably call it say R. Right? R is the length from here to there. Right? So if you according to this angle, we know something about the opposite side, and here this is the hypotenuse. Right? So what we can do is find the trig ratio that involves opposite and hypotenuse. So sine would be a good angle, so you have a good trig ratio. So sine of 45 degrees is equal to, right? So this is opposite. So opposite would be 5 and over hypotenuse, in this case R. All right, so what we're looking for is R. So we're going to multiply through by R. So we have a R sine of 45 degrees is equal to 5. All right, then we can just divide through by sine of 45 degrees. So R is equal to 5 over sine of 45 degrees. All right. So in order to find the sine of 45 degrees, we look at this one of the two right triangles that you need to know the ratio of. So this is a 45 degree and a 45 degree 90 degree triangle, and the other one you need to know, which we are not going to use for this problem, is a triangle that has 90 degrees, 60 degrees here, and a 30 degrees there. Right? So the ratio is always 1 square root of 2. Right? Or if you want, you can actually think, if you take this to be 1, this would be 1 over square root of 2, and this would be 1 over square root of 2, either way. And here it's, if you take this to be 1, and this would be 2, and that's square root of 3. Or if you want to take this to be 1, this would be 1/2, and this is square root of 3 over 2. Just divide everyone by 2. This one, just everyone by square root of 2, you get that. Right? So in order to find the sine of 45 degrees, all you have to do is do opposite. So sine of 45 degrees. Sine of 45 degrees equal to, right, opposite over hypotenuse, right? So in this case, opposite is 1, hypotenuse is square root of 2, right? So therefore, sine of 45 degrees 1 over square root of 2. So you have 5 over, so this is equal to 1 over square root of 2. You can multiply top and bottom by square root of 2. So we can get rid of square root of 2 on the bottom, which gives you 5 square root of 2. Right? That's it. I hope that this was clear.